going into 2023. The focus is really going to be on a few other factors. We've seen a lot of bad news on the crypto exchanges. FTX was a body blow to the industry as it went down. Binance is one of the larger exchanges today that trades globally. We've also had the bad news just a few days back of Genesis, one of the largest lenders to crypto investors, also filing for bankruptcy in the US. This is not good news. And it's obviously a great drain on liquidity in the industry. So we're expecting that at some point, the news flow is going to settle. And hopefully, we're going to see a slightly different or reformed crypto universe emerge out of it. We strongly believe that asset-backed tokenization is going to be a huge industry down the line. But again, that requires a whole host of regulatory and compliance provisions to be put in place within the ecosystem. But perhaps the landscape on crypto investing is going to change dramatically over the next 12 to 24 months.
All the exchanges, see, the biggest issue is that blockchain or a decentralized finance does not need any regulation per se, if it is, because that is a true state of blockchain. But we are not living in a true state of blockchain. There are two types of concepts there, CeFi and DeFi. All the exchanges are coming under CeFi. That means you have to transact the crypto or any cryptocurrency through some exchanges. So there is a question of middleman. When there is a question of middleman, there needs a regulation. And that regulator has to be defined clearly under the law. And RBI can see the payment part, but the registration as a corporate, audit, and all the trails and investor protection, everything, whatever in the traditional stock market gives to the investor, similar thing we are expecting from SEBI or a government of India to define the exchanges to become under their ambit, quarterly audits, as well as every disclosure, investor protection fund, everything, even listing in SEBI, everything needs to be done under Indian Companies Act as well as SEBI Act. That is our expectation.
It is very difficult to predict what measures the government is going to take in the budget session regarding cryptocurrency, because it depends on a diverse kind of issues. The priorities and decisions of the people, the government, what the society actually demands or the society actually needs. But however, I do feel that it is likely that the government may address the key issues such as investor protection, fraud, how to prevent the fraud, etc. in this budget session, especially concerning the financial market. I also think that maybe some regulations or something like that will come into place for the crypto exchanges, because they do play a critical role in the buying and selling of digital assets and cryptos and NFTs and all that. So I do feel that though it is going to be a little challenging for the government, these are the key areas that I do feel that the government may address